Lately, a lot of people have been asking me this question.
Hey, Jason, what kind of videos should I be making for my business that people actually want to watch?
While this can seem like a loaded question, it's actually a pretty simple equation. Let's jump in.
I feel amazing. Yeah, I feel amazing. I feel amazing.
What's up, everybody? This is Jason from Eo7 Media, and today I'm going to show you how to hit that easy button so that you can come up with really interesting, intriguing, and quality video content for your business that actually hits the target market. Let's dive into the whiteboard. You've probably already heard the term Venn diagram. This is when you have two circles that overlap each other. For example, tomatoes and apples. They're not exactly the same type of fruit, but let's dive into what makes them different. A tomato is red flesh, mushy and savory, while an apple has white flesh, firm and sweet. What we're worried about is this area in the middle where they overlap, and that is that they're fruit, they're round, and they're smooth skin. So a Venn diagram is basically showing you where two things overlap and showing you the common denominators between both. Now, while technically this is going to be a Venn diagram, we're going to call this the zone of genius, because that's what you're going to feel like when you actually start putting this into practice. Now, while a Venn diagram can be many different circles, we're going to be dealing with 3 circles particular. So the first circle is something that you know a lot about, or something you're willing to do more research on. This could be a realm dealing with your business. It could be something with a hobby. It could be something that you just have a lot of passion for. The second circle is going to be something you really enjoy talking about. So the more you enjoy something, the more you're actually going to do it, as well as come off as more passionate when you talk about it. The last circle is what your audience is actually looking for, what they're going to Google to search for, and this is how they're going to find you. So now that you have all 3 of these sections, we're going to be looking at this center space called the zone of genius. This is where you're going to be targeting your market, not only in a well-defined and detailed manner, but also in a way that people are actually going to be searching you out and finding the content you're creating. And for an example, we're going to be talking about this video right here. Let's dive into the first circle, what I know a lot about. I know quite a bit about film theory and how media actually affects people. I know how to place a very specific shot in a video that truly affects your audience in a very specific and detailed and controlled manner. I love talking about marketing psychology and brand video marketing. I love this. This is my passion. But not many people are looking for film theory and brand marketing in the same sentence. But you know what they are looking for? People are looking for how to grow their business and make more sales. So if someone is looking online for how to grow their business and make more sales, they might come across this video where I talk about how to engage your audience better through your video content for your business. And since I know a lot about film theory and how it affects people, and I really love talking about marketing psychology and brand marketing in general, hopefully you're finding this useful and you can use this in your own content creation. Use this format the next time you're sitting down trying to think, what kind of content should I be making? Plug in what you know about, what you're passionate about, and what your audience is actually looking for. You're going to find that perfect sweet spot right in the middle. It's going to give you the exact framework of the content that you should be making. Now that you have the guidelines that'll help you come up with the awesome ideas that will actually get people watching your videos, how do you keep them on your videos a little bit longer and really emotionally engage them to want to be a part of your brand? Well, that's easy. Watch this video right here where we do a deep dive into why facts tell and stories sell, along with a ton more cool marketing tips. And always remember, be better and do something awesome today.